this is Sean from Goqual. We make the smart home devices like it called the 10K series. 10K series consists of the smart light switch and the smart outlet, built-in outlet. This is the smart switch, the 10K switch. It's the only Wi-Fi switch installable without the neutral wire, and it connects to Wi-Fi directly, and then you can control your lighting, and you can control your lighting whenever and wherever. And we also provide the Europe dimensions. You can control the smart 10K series using Android or the iOS app. And this is the outlet control. You can control the whole lighting list, and then you control each lighting. And then you can make the schedule for when you are going to business trip, and it can work automatically like you are in home. In this CES show, we'll be targeting to the B2B construction companies or the B2C distributors. And we also pre-ordered in Canada and Singapore, and we will find the other next partner. Thank you.